The clinical leadership team knows that being a student, completing coursework, and acquiring hours is no easy task. So the BAF program is here to support and encourage our students throughout that journey. The Behavior Analyst Fellowship program offers support to students by providing them additional support after they're finished with their hours.
I definitely feel like I had an advantage as a Hopebridge BAF student over the other students that were in my master's program, especially considering the ability to try out a lot of things that we were learning about in our courses and our coursework. So much of supervision hours can take the form of, oh, I'm just watching this BCBA do this thing, or I'm doing menial drudgery and just to get through these hours. Whereas for me, it almost felt like a training period. It was able to actually feel like, oh, I'm doing this, I'm a part of this. And to also be supported by Hopebridge through that, for that to be built into my workday.
A couple main objectives of the BAF program are to identify those master's students, support them in their experience hours, provide support to our BCBA supervisors, and we also want to make sure that we're increasing that BCBA pass rate. If you want to collect 20 hours per month, or if you want to collect 130 hours per month, we really make sure that, that we individualize your experience within the program. So once a student is finished with their hours, then we're able to provide them with BDS modules. They have mock exams, we have free meetings for them to attend, and we really collaborate as a team to make sure they feel supported before their exam. First-time test takers that come from the BAF program are consistently passing at a higher rate than the BACB national average, and we are so proud of that within the BAF program.
My experience as a BAF supervisor at Hopebridge has been awesome. I love mentoring. It's just always been ingrained with me. I love helping someone either overcome something or cheer them on, or just having an extra relationship with someone outside of their family or friends that they can get some advice from.
This can be a tough job, whether you're a BCBA or a therapist or even in management. So having other staff that you can turn to for support, having that availability to be able to talk to someone, be able to really get personal while still providing that professional atmosphere to work in.
The Hopebridge Behavior Analyst Fellowship program offers a position trajectory, so that way we're able to support their learning and growth opportunities. An ABA therapist may start out as an RBT, and then they can potentially level up in order to be an RBT fellow. The RBT fellow role is unique to Hopebridge, and what that means is that they're working 50% of their time as an RBT, and the other 50% of their time they're shadowing their BCBAs, they're working on consults, they're in parent meetings, they're doing those initial evals, and they're really grasping that experience of a behavior analyst. At the end of the day, we want our students to feel empowered, motivated, and prepared in order to start their job as a BCBA. The most fulfilling part of leading my job at the BAF program is really seeing the students' success and seeing things click for them. What means the most to me is seeing their progress and their journey.